Damn, I am so damn ugly. Here's a weird theory I had about the reality. When did everything begin? When will everything end? I remember Venom Fang X said there had to be a beginning because there's no such thing as it was impossible for time to in the past to go back in the infinity past because he put it like this. Okay, if I put you in jail today, and I tell you when time ends, we know time goes gone forever and ever and ever. When time ends, I will let you out. You'd never get out. Well, let's say it goes back to the infinite past. Okay, after an eternity, remember the beginning. Well, there's no beginning. Venom Fame X said, okay, after an eternity passes, the creation and the universe will start. You never get to that point. So if you go backwards forever to the eternity past, you never be able to reach this point. Venom Fang X, you dumbass. I figured it out. You dumbass. Time is just an illusion. Everything from eternity past and eternity present is happening right now, this moment. Cause and effect, which would mean maybe there's no such thing as free will. Or maybe free will is taken into the mix. That's what I tend to believe. And is part of the cause and effect. It's everything that ever happened from in the past, forever and ever into the past, that's happening right now, and that will happen in forever and ever, is happening right now. And everything is interconnected, cause and effect. Everything leads what was done in the past led up to what is being done today, and what is being done today will lead up to what will be done in the future. Look at it like a number line. Time is like you counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you can count to 100. You get 1 first, then you get the 2, but you get the 3. You can count forever and ever. You will never reach the end of the number line. You will be counting forever and ever. 1 cause and effect leads to 2. 1 cause and effect leads to 1.1. 2 cause and effect leads to 3. And you get the picture. But even when you're on number 5 and have not yet got the number 10, 10's there. 10 exists. The entire number line from infinity, negative infinity to positive infinity exists. And counting these numbers is an illusion. The number line is right here. Everything. Let's say I go out and start a fire and burns down the woods. Me starting the fire is number 1. The woods burning down is number 2. It's all happening right now. So that would be the next argument atheists propose, to say that there is reality without God. But then why? Why is there something instead of nothing? to be sure there must be a God. And what's the problem with believing in God? You just can't comprehend that somebody can have a mind that can be eternal. That's so much. You can't comprehend that we could be. Just a man, even as the mind of an ant, can't comprehend what we do. The ability to speak and stuff like that. What was I going to say? I was going to say something else. Damn, what was I going to say? Yeah, why is there something instead of nothing? But think about it. This used to freak me out when I was a little kid. Whatever reality is or could be, whether it's this reality or a reality of Lego or cartoons or nothing, even if there's absolutely nothing, something would be true. Something would be true. Even if there was nothing. And what is nothing? Nothing is rock streaming about. So Lawrence Krauss is a theory that of a universe for nothing is shit. Because he said matter and antimatter are proof that the universe came from nothing. Because you can take, because out of nothing sprang matter and antimatter, and once they collide, they go back to nothing, annihilate each other. What the stupid motherfuckers forgetting to take into consideration is that when they annihilate each other, they produce energy. So how can they really be going back to nothingness when they're producing, when antimatter and matter colliding creates energy? What the fuck do you think the Starship Enterprise, how the fuck do you think the Starship Enterprise can travel multiple times the speed of light at warp speed using matter and antimatter collisions to annihilate one another? Duh, ding dong, is using the energy of matter and antimatter colliding to propel it forth. I always irked me that when they said matter and antimatter colliding, annihilated one another. The first law of thermodynamics is matter and energy can neither be created nor destroyed. What do you think about your science lesson today? I want some freaking views and I want some freaking comments. Do you get the fucking picture?